New spy photos have emerged of the Ferrari Roma replacement, the Amalfi, which is set to be unveiled in early July. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get our first spy photos of the Ferrari Amalfi. That's the name of the new supercar from the prancing horse car manufacturer that will be unveiled next July 1st in Amalfi. Now, this car will be the direct heir to the Ferrari Roma. Speaking of this car, today I want to point out these new spy photos of the camouflage prototype have appeared on the Facebook page of Walter Var. You guys know the man, but I will link his Facebook page down in the description below so you guys can check out the rest of the spy photos he's been posting. In the latest sightings on the road, the camouflage prototypes have only been giving a glimpse of the new design, which appear to be inspired by the most recent productions from Maranello. The stylistic language involves discreetly without distorting the already appreciated lines. Now, the interiors, on the other hand, will undergo much more substantial changes. I'm talking about a major technological update combined with a significant growth in the perceived quality in line with the evolution of the brand. Now, from a technical standpoint, well, the beating heart will remain the twin-turbo V8, a choice that confirms Ferrari's desire to retain a mechanical soul in its Grand Tours, despite the progressive transition towards electrification. Now, previously leaked rumors are now confirmed, where pre-orders for the new Amalfi and Amalfi Spider have officially started in March 2025, a couple of months ago. This early debut clearly signals how much the prancing horse company is banking on these models to conquer a clientele seeking exclusivity, luxury, and high performance. Now, on the economic front, an increase of around 20% is expected compared to the list price of the Ferrari Roma, and that could be some taxes and tariffs. Now, the Ferrari Amalfi is one of the 6 models that the prancing horse car manufacturer will unveil during 2025. I want to remind you that in October, we'll see some of what the new Ferrari EV will look like from the Maranello company, because we'll see the first stages of this model, but it will debut later on in 2026. But with that said, what can you guys make so far of the F169M, the Ferrari Amalfi? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description if you guys want to help further support your channel, and subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.